nombre de points de contact. So I want to have as many points of contact as possible. I must have the wrist, and I must have something above the elbow in order to have a Russian 2-on-1. Mais idéalement aussi, je veux avoir contact entre le bras puis mon corps. Right? I'd like to be here, so that would be 1, 2, 3 points of contact. But then I can also have my head, right? Could be in the face, could be on the chest, depending on my height, my position. That could be 4. And an optional 5th is my elbow, right? Or my forearm. Sometimes I might have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes it might be more bent, or I might be in that position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it depends, but I want to see that from any position, it doesn't even start here. This is still me wrestling with a rope, right? That's pulling myself into position. When I start to get onto my body, into his body, head in, that's going to be better. C'est ton choix. Ici, je peux travailler avec l'os, right? I can use my radial bone. A lot of people like that. Some people like to go low, like a scooping grip here. So that gives them kind of more of a sort of a lever against the elbow. Some people sometimes like to go high on the deltoid and peel, which lends itself more to bending, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Lots of contact. But I want to feel adhesion. However it is, I choose to grip.